Indonesia means to you? Is that the country where you were born? A place you live in? Or a country full of pluralism? For us, Indonesia is more than that word. We were amazed, barely able to speak about its dazzling beauty, diversity of population, all their efforts at advancing themselves. For us, Indonesia is a country full of stories, dark and suffering.
Oh, my poor country, tired of bearing their burdens, the sin of the owner of power, and the tears of the victims of oppression.
Tell me, oh everyone, what does home mean? Deep in the memories of wanderers, home is a place where he feels like home. Then, can this beautiful country be called home for him? He was trapped, unable to return, disposed of by the authorities, and then branded as a sinner. Listen to his voice that has never been heard until Tugumonas. Just look at the cries that never reached Bengawan Solo. The wanderers, one of the many victims of the upside-down truth.
Tell me, oh everyone, what is the meaning of life? When the laughter is replaced by groaning of torture, when minerals are replaced by thick of blood, when a smile is replaced by a look of fear. Is that what life is like? As a mother, I had this pace of life. My heart is breaking. My blood is boiling. My world collapsed, saying those I love suffer. Pay for a sin they didn't commit. I'm silent because I know my voice will never be heard by those who are self-righteous.
Tell me, oh everyone, what is identity? The event of September 30 stuck to me. All my life, I wear the sins like myself is the culprit. My identity is openly rejected. In fact, no human is perfect. First, look at yourself. Is your soul clean from the ink of the sin? Is your heart clean of the stain of dissatisfaction?
The sentences are sharp, like knife that cuts me down every time. The treatment is heavy, like stone that hit my whole body. Only a piece of paper is my escape, a speck of meaningful illustration to me. Can those who curse stop? Can those who bully stop? We're tired. No, I am tired.
For us, the struggle is still not over. Tightness still fills the chest. Anger still fills the body. Life is still full of sorrow.
Can we go home without rejection? Can we live without fear? And can we spread the truth about our identity without arguing? Can we do it?
Oh, my poor country, tired of bearing their burdens, the sin of the owner of power, and the tears of the victims of oppression.